Good afternoon, viewers. I remain your impactful English tutor, Dr. Regina Ekwelibe. This afternoon, we are going to discuss a salient topic, which is a punctuation mark, or rather, punctuation marks. Because most often you discover that a good number of our students, or even educated ones, write haphazardly, just like a spoken composition. If you speak without pause, you may be termed a talkative. That is why in pragmatics we talk about turn taking. You talk, you pause, and another person will also talk. The same thing applies in written composition. We also pause, and that is where we talk about the punctuation marks that call graphic symbols, which help us to write well. They embellish our writings. So we say that punctuation marks are those graphic or written symbols used in a piece of writing to indicate various degrees of pauses. They are classified into two types: the terminal punctuation marks, which include the full stop, the question mark, and then the exclamation mark. The full stop usually comes at the end of a writing. It could be a sentence, it could be a passage, but we call these ones terminal punctuation marks because they come at the end of that work, of that sentence. So, also the question mark appears at the end. It shows the nature of the sentence as an interrogative one. So whenever you ask a question, make sure to end it with a question mark. Is that clear? So the next one is the exclamation mark. This is used to show the state of the mind or the feelings of the speaker. So whenever you make a sentence that is an exclamation, you end it with what we call an exclamation mark. Is that clear? So the next group is the media punctuation marks. They are called media punctuation marks because they appear within the sentence. They appear within the sentence. One of them is the comma. The comma. We have the colon, we have the semicolon, we have the dash, we have the hyphen, the quotation mark, and the bracket. Whenever we apply these in our writings, they make our writings very clear, very distinct, and understandable. So in the next video, we shall look at the different functions of these punctuation marks. See you in the next video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Love you.